At Sutherland Presses, we've dedicated ourselves to providing the world's best metal forming solutions for more than 70 years. Our founder, Jack Sutherland, entered the steel business in 1946. He was one of the first Americans to import industrial machinery from Japan and created the foundations for a wide network of partnerships across the Pacific Rim. Jack's son, Mark Sutherland, made Sutherland Presses a private label, building presses designed in California and manufactured by trusted sources in Taiwan. Our high standards for quality and integrity quickly made Sutherland Presses a global competitor in the metal forming world. Sutherland Presses soon expanded to new factories in China and began to specialize in providing comprehensive metal forming solutions, including fully automated turnkey press lines. Our experience has ranged from job shops to direct OEMs, and we've applied everything we've learned towards building the future of metal forming. In 2011, Sutherland Presses introduced the first generation of I-Press, built to be the world's most advanced and safest press and automation control system. With user-friendly touchscreens and internet connectivity as standard features, I-Press represents our commitment to leading innovation in metal forming for many more decades to come. Today, Sutherland Presses has entered its third generation as a family business, and our operations include mechanical, servo-hydraulic, composite, and forge presses, each with their own customized I-Press control system. Our global network of Sutherland-certified service technicians provides 24/7 support to our thousands of customers spanning 4 continents. Whether you're looking for a sturdy and reliable mechanical press or planning an extensive automated production line involving advanced composite materials, the team at Sutherland Presses is ready to work with you from concept to completion. Sutherland Presses. Innovation comes standard.